If I bought the IWM and I held on to it, that doesn't expire, right? The IWM is going to be around pretty much for a very, very long time. The market comes down, even if the market does a 2008 thing, it cuts in half, I still have the IWM. All I really have to do is wait. I wait it out. So if I bought IWM at the worst possible time in 2008 and I waited it out, I'd have a whole lot more money now. If I bought my IWM back in November and all I did is wait it out, I still have my money back. So you see, in a way, how much safer that is. That being the case, I can't invest the same, I can't put the same size position on that I might invest in IWM with when I start talking about trading with Russell options or IWM options for that matter, because I have that dynamic going on underneath it. So I want to really limit how much money I do that. So what I'll do is I'll put part of my money in investing where I'm likely to make, say, I don't know, 6 or 7%, and I'll put part of my money in trading where I can make, say, 20% on average.